Welcome to Income Tax Academy by KFS. In this first module, you'll build a strong foundation, understanding how the U.S. federal tax system works, why taxes exist, and the main components of an individual tax return for the 2025 filing season. The U.S. tax system is a complex structure involving federal, state, and local governments, each imposing various taxes. These taxes fund public services and programs such as education, infrastructure, defense, and social welfare. The federal tax system primarily relies on income taxes, payroll taxes, and corporate taxes. This module will provide a comprehensive overview of these fundamental concepts, preparing you for the intricacies of tax preparation. By the end of this module, you'll be thoroughly familiar with the structure of Form 1040, which is the standard IRS form used by individual taxpayers to file their annual income tax returns. You will also understand key filing requirements and how various deductions, credits, and payments determine your client's refund or liability for tax year 2025. Form 1040 is divided into sections for reporting taxable income, deductions, and credits to calculate the amount of tax owed or the refund amount. Taxpayers must include personal information such as name, address, social security number, and the number of dependents. Several schedules may need to be attached to Form 1040, depending on the taxpayer's specific situation. We will delve into these details to ensure you can confidently navigate the filing process. Federal income taxes are crucial as they fund a wide array of public services and programs that benefit all citizens. These include essential areas like education, ensuring our future generations are well prepared, infrastructure, maintaining and developing our roads, bridges, and public utilities, national defense, protecting our country, and social welfare initiatives, providing support for those in need. The federal income tax is the largest source of revenue for the U.S. government, levied on an individual's taxable income, which is adjusted gross income less deductions. Understanding this funding mechanism is key to appreciating the role of taxes in society. The Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, is the federal agency responsible for administering tax law, collecting taxes, providing essential guidance and forms, and enforcing compliance with tax regulations. The IRS provides numerous resources to help taxpayers and tax professionals understand and comply with tax laws, including e-services for tax pros, basic tools for tax professionals, IRS publications and forms, and e-news subscriptions. The IRS also offers the Interactive Tax Assistant, providing answers to tax law questions. Their role is vital in ensuring the smooth operation of the U.S. tax system. As a tax preparer for the 2025 filing season, your role will involve navigating the complex landscape of IRS rules and regulations. You will be instrumental in helping clients meet their tax obligations accurately and efficiently. This includes understanding the various forms and schedules, such as Form 1040, W-2, and other common schedules, which are neatly arranged on a desk in this visual. Your expertise will ensure that clients comply with all federal tax laws, minimizing their liabilities and maximizing their eligible refunds or credits. This requires a deep understanding of tax documentation and its implications. In your role as a tax preparer, you'll most frequently deal with federal income tax, which is primarily handled via Form 1040 and its associated schedules. The federal income tax is levied on an individual's taxable income, which is adjusted gross income less deductions. The U.S. employs a progressive tax system, meaning that higher levels of income are taxed at higher rates. For 2025, there are 7 federal income tax rates: 10%, 12%, 22%, 24%, 32%, 35%, and 37%. These rates are applied to taxable income based on filing status. Taxpayers can reduce their tax liability by claiming either the standard deduction or itemizing deductions. For 2025, the standard deduction is $15,750 for single filers and $31,500 for married couples filing jointly. Understanding these nuances is critical for accurate tax preparation. You will also frequently encounter payroll taxes, which are typically shown as withholdings on clients' W-2s. Payroll taxes are the second largest source of federal revenue, funding Social Security and Medicare. These taxes are levied on wage income, with both employers and employees contributing. The Social Security tax rate is 12.4% of wages up to an annual wage maximum, with half paid by the employee and half by the employer. The Medicare tax rate is 2.9% of all wages, also split between the employer and employee. Self-employed individuals pay both the employer and employee portions of these taxes, known as self-employment tax. A clear understanding of these withholdings is essential for your clients. Another key area you'll handle is self-employment tax, which applies when clients run their own businesses and is reported on Schedule C. Self-employment tax consists of Social Security and Medicare taxes for individuals who work for themselves. The self-employment tax rate is 15.3%, comprising 12.4% for Social Security and 2.9% for Medicare. For 2025, the first $176,100 of combined wages, tips, and net earnings are subject to the Social Security part of self-employment tax. All wages and tips are subject to the Medicare part of the self-employment tax. Self-employed individuals can deduct one-half of their self-employment tax from their gross income. This is a crucial aspect for many independent contractors and small business owners. Finally, you will deal with estimated taxes, which are necessary when clients have non-wage income without sufficient withholding. Individuals, including sole proprietors, partners, and S-corporation shareholders, may need to make estimated tax payments if they expect to owe $1,000 or more in tax when filing their return. Estimated taxes are paid quarterly using Form 1040, yes. The due dates for estimated tax payments are typically April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th of the following year. Taxpayers can pay estimated taxes online, by phone, or by mail. This ensures that individuals with income not subject to regular withholding meet their tax obligations throughout the year. Developing a solid understanding of these key tax areas, federal income tax, payroll taxes, self-employment tax, and estimated taxes, will position you to serve most individual clients effectively. This comprehensive knowledge will enable you to accurately prepare returns, advise clients on their tax obligations, and help them navigate the complexities of the U.S. tax system. Your proficiency in these areas will be invaluable in providing high-quality tax preparation services and building trust with your clientele. This module lays the groundwork for your success as a tax preparer.